want some?
Here we go. What is this?
Formula and rice. With some
Kind of
water.
just like what you feed your dogs.
Yeah. Except super liquid.
You want a bib?
He's like, what is this?
What is that, little guy?
What's that? Oh, is that food? Oh, man.
He ain't having no problem with that.
What do you think? He's like, there's a red light in front of me.
Yeah, his eyes are following it.
What do you think about that, Bubby?
You should probably let him swallow that.
Yeah, you need to swallow, buddy.
He thinks it's funny.
What do you think, little man? What do you think?
You're supposed to swallow that. You're not supposed to play with it in your mouth.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
There you
Bless
go.
you. Say here. We'll just wipe it right here because that needs.
Here,
be washed
close your
anyway.
mouth. Close your mouth.
I think he's confused by the video.
Wave to the camera.
What is
Wave to the
that?
camera.
He's
There
probably
you go.
thinking this crap ain't got no flavor. Something. There's some ranch. Ranch. What?